Hello students, let's do some more questions on polynomials for your board exams. Find the value of a and b so that the polynomial x की power 4 plus x cube plus 8x square plus ax minus b is divisible by x square plus 1. If this polynomial is divisible by x square 1, it means the remainder will be 0. Let's divide. We have x square plus 1. First term is x की power 4. We will multiply x square with dash to get x की power 4. We will multiply by x की power 2. Base same, x की power 2 plus 2. We will get x की power 4. We will take x की power 2. Here we have x की power 4 plus 1 into x square. X square. X square under the x square. Sign changed. X cube. 8x square minus x square. We have 7x square. Plus ax. Now we have x square here in the divisor and x cube here. We will multiply with plus x. We get x cube 1 into x plus x. Negative sign. X cube cancel. We have 7x square plus ax minus x. If x is taken common, we get a minus 1 minus b. Now, we have x square here and we need 7x square plus 7. You will get 7x square plus 7. 7 under the constant. A and b are constants. With b, we don't have any variable. It means b is a constant. Sign changed. What do we get? X, a minus 1 minus b minus 7. This is our remainder. But while dividing with x square plus 1, this is the factor of that polynomial completely divisible. It means the remainder must be 0. Either this term will be 0 or this term will be 0. If we take x into a minus 1 as 0, x here, x equals to 0, a minus 1 equals to 0 and a equals to 1. This is the value of a. Minus b minus 7 equals to 0 and b equals to minus 7. These are the values of a and b. A is equals to 1 and value of b is minus 7. This is our answer. What should be added in the polynomial so that it is completely divisible by another polynomial? We have a polynomial x cube plus 2x square minus 9x plus 1. It is completely divisible by polynomial x plus 4. It means the remainder in this case will be 0. Let's divide. We have x here and in the dividend we have x cube. We will multiply with x square. X into x की power 2. X means x की power 1. Powers get added. 1 plus 2. We will get x की power 3. We have x cube. 4 into x square. 4x square. Sign changed. Terms of x cube cancelled. Plus 2x square minus 4x square. We have minus 2x square minus 9x. Now we have 2x. We will multiply with minus 2x to get minus 2x square. 4 into minus 2x minus 8x. Sign changed. Minus 9x plus 8x. We will get minus x plus 1. We have x here. We need minus x. We will multiply with minus 1. We have minus x minus 4. Sign changed. 5. Now, if this polynomial is completely divisible by x plus 4, it means remainder must be 0. But in our case, our remainder is 5. We have to subtract 5 from this to get remainder 0. What does this mean? It means what we have to add? We have to add minus 5 in dividend to get remainder as 0. Next, we add minus 5. If we add minus 5, what do we get here? 1 minus 5, we will get minus 4 in place of 1. We will take minus 4 and plus 4 and minus 4 will get cancelled and we will get 0 in the remainder. Therefore, what we will add? We will add minus 5 to get the remainder 0. If alpha and beta are zeros of polynomial 4x square minus 4 minus x, we have to find a quadratic polynomial with zeros 1 by 2 alpha and 1 by 2 beta. But if we have alpha and beta as zeros of a polynomial, how can we make a polynomial? X square minus sum of zeros, that is alpha plus beta, into x plus alpha beta. In this case, our zeros are 1 by 2 alpha and 1 by 2 beta. Now, if we make quadratic polynomial, we will get x square minus 1 by 2 alpha plus 1 by 2 beta into x plus alpha beta, that is 1 by 2 alpha into 1 by 2 beta. X square minus, taking LCM, 2 times alpha beta. We have 2 alpha in the numerator. What do we get? Beta plus alpha in this case into x plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, 1 by 4 into alpha beta. Now, back to our given polynomial. This polynomial is 4x square minus 4 minus x. First, change it in the general form, which is ax square plus bx plus c. We will take 4x square minus x minus 4. What is a in this case? We have a as 4. What is b? Minus 1 and c is minus 4. What is sum of zeros? Alpha plus beta minus b upon a. Minus of minus 1 by 4, which is equals to 1 by 4, sum of zeros. What is product of zeros? Alpha beta, c upon a, that is minus 4 by 4, which is equals to minus 1. Now coming to our question, the needed polynomial will be x squared minus beta plus alpha. What was the value of beta plus alpha? 1 by 4 upon 2 into alpha beta. Alpha beta is minus 1 into x plus 1 by 4 into alpha into beta is minus 1. We have x square minus 1 by 4 into minus 2 in the denominator into x minus in the denominator, the sign will come in the numerator, 1 by 4. We have x square plus 1 by 8x minus 1 by 4. Taking 8 as LCM, what will be our polynomial? 8x square plus x minus 2. You can take 1 by 8 outside. And this is our polynomial, 8x square plus x minus 2. Find the values of a and b if they are the zeros of polynomial x square plus ax plus b. In this case, a and b are zeros of this polynomial. What is the general form of quadratic polynomial? This is ax square plus bx plus c. Sum of zeros is minus b upon a minus b upon a. B is coefficient of x, a is coefficient of x square, and product of zeros is c upon a. C is constant, a is coefficient of x square. Now this is our given polynomial. The sum of zeros in this case, these are the zeros, that is a plus b, is equals to minus b upon a. B is coefficient of x minus of a upon 1, and product of zeros, that is A multiplied by B equals to C upon A. C is constant and constant in this case is B upon 1. A multiplied by B equals to B. What will be the value of A? B upon B, that is 1. We have A as 1. Now, taking this value here, we have A plus B equals to minus A. A on the left hand side and B on the right hand side. We will get A plus A equals to minus B. 2A equals to minus B. Value of A is 1. 2 into 1 equals to minus B and value of B is minus 2. Value of A is 1 and B is minus 2. If the sum of the zeros of a quadratic polynomial, which is k y square plus 2y minus 3k, is equals to the product, find the value of k, which general form is ax square plus bx plus c, quadratic polynomial. What is sum of zeros? Sum of zeros is minus b upon a. And what is product of zeros? Product of zeros is c upon a. Now, in this case, the sum of zeros is equals to the product of zeros. What is a in this case? K. We have b as 2, coefficient of y, and c as constant, which is minus 3k. What will be the sum of zeros? Sum of zeros will be minus b upon a, that is minus 2 by k. And what is product of zeros? Product is c upon a, that is minus 3k by k. Both sum and product are equal. Minus 2 upon k equals to minus 3k upon k. K and k get cancelled. Minus and minus also get cancelled. 2 equals to 3k and value of k is 2 by 3. So our answer is k equals to 2 by 3. Form a quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 7 plus 2 root 2 and 7 minus 2 root 2. बच्चे, in case we have our zeros alpha and beta, we have two zeros alpha and beta, then our quadratic polynomial will be x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. X square minus sum of zeros into x plus product of zeros. Now, in this case, if this is alpha and this is beta, what will be our polynomial? X square minus alpha plus beta, 7 plus 2 root 2 plus 7 minus 2 root 2 into x plus alpha beta, 7 plus 2 root 2 into 7 minus 2 root 2, x square minus 2 root 2 positive negative cancelled, 7 plus 7 14x plus 7 plus 2 root 2 into 7 minus 2 root 2. What is a plus b into a minus b? This is a whole square minus b whole square. Here we have 7 whole square minus 2 root 2 whole square. We have x square minus 14x plus 7 square is 49 minus 2 root 2 square, 2 root 2 into 2 root 2. 2 into 2, 4. And what is root 2 into root 2? 2. 4 into 2, 8. So our final answer is x square minus 14x plus 41. This is our required polynomial. If the zeros of a polynomial x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 1 are a minus b, a and a plus b. We have cubic polynomial, and cubic polynomial can have at most 3 zeros. We have to find the value of a and b. In case of cubic polynomial, our general form is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus b. In this case, sum of zeros, if we have alpha, beta and gamma as zeros of this polynomial, alpha plus beta plus gamma is equals to minus b upon a. Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equals to c upon a. And alpha beta gamma product of all the three zeros is minus d upon a. First is minus b upon a, then positive c upon a, again negative minus d upon a. In this case, we have a as 1, b as minus 3, and c as 1, and d is also 1. Now, we have to find zeros. Let's take this as capital A, capital B, capital C, and capital D. These are zeros. Now, we have sum of zeros, a minus b plus a plus a plus b. The sum of zeros is minus b upon a. Minus of minus 3 upon a is 1. We have a minus b plus a plus b is equals to 3. B positive negative cancelled. 3a equals to 3 and the value of a is 1. This we have. Now check. What is product of zeros? A minus b into a plus b is equals to minus d upon a, that is minus 1 by 1. The value of a is 1. We have 1 minus b into 1 plus b as minus 1. 1 minus b into 1 plus b, a minus b, a plus b, a whole square minus b whole square. 1 minus b square equals to minus 1. 1 on the left hand side and b square on the right hand side. 1 plus 1 equals to b square. We have b square equals to 2. What is the value of b? Plus minus root 2. We have a as 1 and b as plus minus root 2. If alpha and beta are the zeros of a quadratic polynomial, x square minus k minus 5x plus 3k plus 1, we have to find the value of k. If alpha plus beta equals to alpha beta, what is alpha plus beta? Sum of zeros minus b upon a. What is b in this case? b is coefficient of x. A is coefficient of x square, that is 1. What is b? Coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is minus of k minus 5 or minus k plus 5. What is c? Constant, 3k plus 1. Alpha plus beta, minus of minus k plus 5 upon 1. Alpha plus beta is k minus 5. And what is alpha beta? C upon a, that is 3k plus 1 upon 1. Now, these two are equal. So, we have k minus 5 equals to 3k plus 1. K on the left hand side and 1 on the right hand side and 1 on the left hand side. Minus 5 minus k equals to 3k minus k. We have minus 6 equals to 2k and k is minus 6 by 2, that is minus 3. If alpha, beta and gamma are the zeros of polynomial 6x cube plus 3x square minus 5x plus 1, we have to find the value of alpha की power minus 1, that is 1 upon alpha, plus beta की power minus 1 means 1 upon beta plus 1 upon gamma. We have to find the value of this. How can we find? Taking LCM, alpha, beta, gamma. Alpha in the denominator, we will get beta into gamma, plus beta in the denominator, we have alpha into gamma, plus alpha beta. This we need. Now बच्चे, if we have a cubic polynomial as ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, general form of cubic polynomial, in this case alpha plus beta plus gamma, if these are the zeros, is minus b upon a. Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is c upon a. And what is alpha beta gamma? Minus b upon a. What is a in this case? 6. We have b as 3, c as minus 5 and d as 1. What is alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha? We don't need alpha plus beta plus gamma. This is equals to c upon a, that is minus 5 upon 6. And what is alpha beta gamma? Minus d upon a, that is minus 1 by 6. Putting these values here, we have minus 5 by 6 upon minus 1 by 6. You can either cut both 6 or write it as minus 5 by 6 into minus 6 by 1. 6 and 6 get cancelled, minus and minus plus 5 is our answer.